Assalamualaikum my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashi Bishas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Russian School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is odd and even number. So let us start our class. Before starting our class, we need to know what are the even numbers and what are the odd numbers from 1 to 9. From 1 to 9. My dear students, even number are those numbers which can make pair. I repeat, even number are those numbers which can make pair. On the other hand, odd number are those numbers which cannot make pair. Just like this is a ball and this is another ball. These two balls make a pair. But this is a ball. It's only one ball. It cannot make pair. Because we know that two things make a pair. So this is a pair. On the other hand, one ball is not a pair. If I write here one ball, two ball and three ball, then this cannot make pair. That means it is a pair and one ball left. So we call this is not make pair. Now we shall write the number from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. My dear student, 1. Now we draw a stick in front of the number. 1 means 1 stick. 2 means 2 stick. 3 means 3 stick. 4 means 4 stick. 5 means 5 stick. 6 means 6 sticks. 7 means 7 sticks. 8 means 8 sticks, and 9 means 9 sticks. My dear students, now we shall check which number are odd and which number are even. 1 is not a pair because it's 1 stick. 1 stick cannot make a pair. So 1 is odd number. Here 2. 2 is 2 stick. That means 2 is a pair because two things make a pair. 3 means 3 sticks. 1 pair and 1 stick left. So 3 is a odd number. 1 is odd number, 2 is even number, and 3 is odd number. Why odd number? Because 3 cannot make pair. 4 means 2 sticks. 1 is 2 pair. 1 pair and 2 pair. 1 pair and 2 pair. So 4 is even number. 5 means 1 pair, 2 pair and 1 stick left. So 5 is not an even number. It is a odd number. 6 means 3 pair. That means 6 is even number. 7 means 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair and 1 stick left. So we call 7 is odd number. 8 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. So 8 is even number. 9 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair and 1 stick left. So we call 9 is odd number. My dear students, now we write 10. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair and 5 pair. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair and 5 pair. That means 10 is an even number because it makes 5 pair. My dear students, when we write 0 at one's place of a number, then that number must be even number. As a result, 0 is the sign of even number. So 0 is the sign of even number. My dear students, I repeat, when you use 0 at one's place of a number, then that number must be even number. Okay? So 0 is the notation of even number. Now from 1 to 9 we write 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd number, and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even number. So memorize this. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd number, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even number. I repeat, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd number and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even number. Okay? Okay. Now we read this. Now we shall learn how to check a number is even or a number is odd. At first we write two numbers. 1, 5, 5, 6 and 1, 3, 2, 3. My dear students, this is 1556 and this is 1323. We want to check which number is odd and which number is even before even. Now we shall check the ones place digit only. We shall check the ones place digit only. Here ones place number is 6. Ones place number is 6. Here ones place number is 3. My dear student, please give attention. If ones place number is even, then that total number is even. If ones place number is odd, then that number is odd. That means here 1556, ones place number is 6, which is even number. So we can say that 156 is even number. On the other hand, 1323, here ones place number is 3. 3 is odd number. As 3 is odd number, so we consider 1323 is odd number. I hope you understood how to find the odd and even number from the following numbers. Okay. Now we shall solve our questions. Question number 2. Find out odd and even numbers from the following. That means some numbers are given. We need to find out which number are even and which number are odd. And second, question number B will be your SW. Here also some number are given. You need to find out which number are odd and which number are even. So at first we solve a number first. So write here 2A answer. At first we draw a box. It divides into two parts. In first part we write odd number and in last part we write even number. Okay. My dear students, in odd number box we write the odd number and even number box we write the even number. Now we read the questions again. Find out the odd and even numbers from the following. Here numbers are 2000, 1523, 1331, 1228, 1553, 1925, 1784, 1038, 1625, 1432. My dear students, here we shall check the first number 2000. 2000 is even or 2000 is odd. So we check the ones place digit only. In 2000, one place digit is 0. 0 is the notation of odd number or even number. We know that 0 is the notation of even number. So we can say that 2000 is even number. So we write this 2000 in the even number box. Okay. Our first one is done. Our next one 1523. Here 1 place number is 3. As 1 place number is 3, so we say that 3 is odd number. As 3 is odd number, so we say 1523 23. I repeat, 1523 is odd number. So we write this odd number in odd number box. That means 1523. Our third one is 1331. 1331. Here ones place number is 1. Which is odd number? As this is ones place number is odd, so we can say that the total number. That means 1331 is odd number. So we write this odd number in the odd number box. That means 1331. And our fourth number is 1228. Here ones place number is 8. 8 is the notation of even number. As 8 is even, so we can say that 1228 is even number, and we write this in the even number box. Our next number is 1553. Here the ones place number is 3, which is odd number. As 3 is odd number, so we can say that 1553 is odd number, and written this odd number in the odd number box. So 1553. Our next number is 1925. Here we notice the ones place number only. Here ones place number is 5. As 5 is odd number, so we say that 1925 is odd number, and we write this odd number in the odd number box. That means 1925. Our next number is 1784. Okay, my dear student, check the ones place number first. Ones place number is 4. 4 is the notation of even number. As 4 is even number, so we can say that 1784 is even number, and write this even number in the even number box. So 1784. My dear students, our next number is 1038. 1038. Here ones place number is 8. 8 is the notation of even number, so we can say 1038 is even number. So we write this even number in the even number box. Okay. Our next number is 1625. 1625. Here ones place number is 5. 5 is the notation of odd number. As 5 is the notation of odd number, so we can say 1625 is odd number, and written this odd number in the odd number box. Okay. And last number is 1432. Here ones place number is 2. Which is the notation of even number. As 2 is even number, so we can say 1432 is even number, and we write this even number in the even number box. My dear student, now we shall check our answer is right or wrong. So at first we check the what numbers are right or wrong. So here we notice the ones place number only. Here first number 3, second number 1, third number 3, fourth number 5, fifth number 5. All the numbers are notations of odd numbers. So we can say that all the numbers are odd numbers. So our answer is correct. So checking odd number is done. Now we shall check even number. Our even number is right or wrong. Here ones place number 0, 8, 4, 8, 2. All the numbers are notations of even numbers. So we say that all the numbers are correct. Okay? Because we know that if the ones place number is odd, then total number is odd. If the ones place number is even, then total number is even. Okay? Okay, my dear student, this is our today's CW, and question number D will be your SW. At first you pick up the question in your SW copy. Just like find out the odd and even number from the following. At first you write this portion. Then you write question number B. That means the given numbers 1521, 1620, 900, 1329, 1956, 1725, 1444, 1873, 1250, 1167. Okay? After writing your question, then you write answer. And After writing answer, then you shall make a box just like this. Just like this. So at first you make a box just like this. At first you write word number and then you write even number. In word number box, you write the number of words which are word of the following numbers. And in even number box, you write the even number which are even number from the following numbers. I hope you understood how to write word and even number in your SW copy. Okay? Okay, my dear student, this is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood our today's lecture. And this is an important speech for you that, my dear student, based on your SW, CT marks and LP marks will be given. So don't neglect SW. Do your SW regularly and submit it regularly also. In our school library every Sunday within 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay. So my dear student, this is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.